All right, hey guys. So today, I know yesterday I didn't get a chance to kind of go over the review with you guys, and looks like some of you guys have already kind of turned this in, which is awesome. But just wanted to go over in case any kids have any questions. So, your review is going to review both mitosis and meiosis, okay? And so when I'm looking here, all right, the first slide, you guys are going to drag the bubbles to where each process would occur. So remember, mitosis occurs with all your body cells. Meiosis only occurs where the sex cells would be. Next slide. Okay, a couple things in case you didn't know. These are stacked on top of each other. And what you're going to do is you guys are going to sort those cells underneath whether they are sex cells or whether they are body cells. And then which ones belong to males and which ones belong to females. All right, so this is just a time lapse of mitosis, which is pretty fun. And then what you're gonna do is just write two observations after you watch the video. So anything like, hey, I noticed, I did see them go into metaphase. I did see them line up. I did see two nuclei form. That would occur during telophase. Anything that you guys see, you guys are going to type in there on this slide. Slide 5. So on this one, how often does mitosis happen? So a couple things here. So the stomach cell, it takes about 2 to 9 days for it to go through mitosis. In the fat cells, it takes 8 years for your fat cells to divide. Lens cells, so lens is your eyes, okay? So understand it takes a lifetime, which means that ultimately your eyes do not go through mitosis. So if you damage your eyes, then you're less likely to get regeneration there. The only other one that does not do that is your nerve cells. Your nerve cells include your brain cells, and that also includes anything like your sense of touch. So once you lose that, it's hard to regain that. All right, and the other one that I wanted to point out was red blood cells. So it can take up to 4 months for a red blood cell to go through mitosis, which is important, especially for those who donate blood. It will take about 4 months for your body to regenerate. And so anybody that has a lot of loss of blood, it's really significant because their body takes a long time to heal from that. So you guys are going to answer these questions here. All right, let's go to the next slide. 6. We have already watched this video. If you just need a quick refresher on mitosis, you can. But you guys should already have a summary in your notes. If you guys wanted to copy and paste that right here, you guys are more than welcome to. What happens during PMAT? So you guys are just summarizing what happens during prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. This one is another stackable picture. So on this one, you guys are going to put these in order of the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, and then describe which phase the cell prepares for division. So this one's kind of fun. You guys can talk to your groups or you can talk to people in other classes. That's totally fine. But what you're going to do is you guys are going to look back on the previous slides on mitosis and write a test question. You don't need to write the correct answer. So give me a question would be, what happens during telophase? What's the importance of metaphase? Or something that you feel like might be on a test. Then what you're going to do is you're going to talk to a friend, and then you're going to write their name and what was their question. Obviously, it can't be the same question. All right? Next one. What type of body cell is most abundant in the human body? So what you're going to do is you're going to click here. It's going to take you to a poll that all students across like the whole nation, they're going through and they are voting on this. So you guys are going to go ahead and vote. So what types of cells most abundant in the human body? If I look, I'm not sure if I would choose blood cell or skin cell, maybe small intestine because your body has a lot of small intestine. So if I go through, maybe I would think, there's a lot of blood cells. So I'm going to vote. And then what you're going to do, so then I'm here and I see I voted. I'm going to hit next. And it's going to show me the different percentages for what other kids have voted for. If you want to keep continuing to part 6, you can. The only thing that I have you guys do is what does the majority of students think? So that's where you're going to put your answer there. Slide 11. All right, you guys are going to compare the visuals here. So the two images between mitosis and meiosis. and you're going to write the two differences. Okay, so obviously two different things that you notice, so that way when you visualize it, you will be able to identify whether that cell is going through mitosis or meiosis. Slide 12, you're going to click and you're going to drag where the centromere is and where the chromatid is. You guys have taken notes twice over this. There was one in the Mitosis amoeba sisters and also in the Meiosis amoeba sisters. So you should have the answers here. And where are the chromosomes stored? Just a reminder that chromosomes are DNA. So where is the DNA stored in a cell? Slide 13. All right, you guys watch this video on Monday, all right? And then what I want you guys to do is describe what meiosis is and explain why siblings do not look like each other. Just a reminder, that was your essential question that you guys had to answer on Monday. So you guys should already have this built, so it should be pretty quick. All right, on 14, match the descriptions of the phase to meiosis. So on Google Slides, you're going to select insert, and what you're going to do is go to line. All right, so I just want a line. And what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag it and make sure you match it to the correct terms, to the correct descriptions. So just a reminder, okay, you go insert line in order to make lines. Okay, let's go slide 15. You're going to put the pictures in order. Yes, the pictures are stacked again. And then let's say that you're not quite sure, you want to make sure that you did it correctly. The answers are going to be on slide 11. My thing is that since this is a review, you should not just try to bust through and get it done as quickly as possible. Actually use this to help you review. Slide 16. So on this one, you guys are going to drag the descriptions to the correct place on the table. Okay, and with that being said, that's going to allow you to review mitosis and meiosis. So ultimately, you guys have today and tomorrow. I did build it for today and tomorrow for you guys to get this done. For the kids that already got it done, it's a free day for you. The other thing is tomorrow, you guys are going to have a quiz and so that's going to help you review for your test on Friday. So as of right now, just giving you guys an update on me. I took a test yesterday and they will not get results back to me until, day 3 or day 3 through day 5. And so, I have to take some personal days just until I get those test results back. So, business as usual in the classroom. I miss you guys. And hopefully, the test results will come back soon and I will get to see you guys soon. So, please let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys know what to do. Message me on either Google Classroom or message me on Remind, whatever you guys need to. So thanks, guys.